I think it's... Oh no, I only have 3%. And so Please Absolutely had a new update, like for real. It did change like Halloween. What are you? 9 years old? I'm 9 years old right now. And also, I think I spilled my cup. Okay, I got. So, hope I won't spill my cups. Bro, I just started. Oh, come on. I just started. What was that? What was that? Oh, it just happened. Going back. Bro, I just started. Ugh. Oh, come on. Guys. This is so short, but only. Okay, homies. See you in the next video. I can't.